All right, we are ready for him to fire it. Push it down all the way. Woo!
Oh, it's
Yeah?
Shoot at it.
No, we can't shoot at cars. What if we hit one and they would swerve off and hit our mailbox? Okay. All right, Stetson. We are going to load the gun. So you take it, and I'm going to start it, but you hit it, okay? Okay, keep hitting it all the way down. Keep hitting it. Flat down, flat down. Go, 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 go. Good. Ooh, my bite. All right, put your ramrod down. Turn around because you got to see this mark. Right down there like that. All the way to the mark. It's real easy. There we go. Perfect. All right, now grab that hairspray.
I'm ready.
I need 4 seconds, and then you want to spray it down to the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I tried to get Dana to just use this hairspray, but she wanted some professional the other day. Okay.
I'm nervous.
Now, okay, hold it here. Now, make sure this is turned a little bit away from you. All right, Stetson, back up just a hair. Now, we don't want to shoot at a barn. It might hit it. We want to shoot right at them trees. Hold up. Ready?
Can you hold me, please? Like,
oh, it don't kick.
It
don't kick. Here, I'll put my hand on your shoulder. Ready? Now watch the end and mash the button.
3, 2,
3,
1. I missed.
Do it again.
Go again. 3,
3, 2, 1.
There it went. Yeah, it was a rotten apple too.
You did good.
Look at there. Okay, now we got a YouTube video. I'm gonna have to.
Now that didn't hurt my eardrums at all with that one.
I told him, I said he can keep those for 4th of July.
Okay, I get.
Now it is.
I'm gonna throw it as far as I can. I don't know where I'm wearing these.
Trying to beat Memphis.
So close!
Right through.
All right, grab you one. Let's see who can throw the farthest. That was middle of the road.
Pick your poison.
This one seems. No, I want this one. This one feels better in my hand.
Right, you gotta beat Memphis now.
Memphis!
He throws far.
I'm walking in Memphis.
I can't throw far. I'm gonna.
Hey, you're supposed to say, it slipped.
Oh!
2 more. Who's going to throw the farthest?
Me!
All right.
Slippy fingers. Kobe!
You went farther than.
Oh, it didn't go.
Dad, we were strange last time.
Hey, that you're supposed to say that and slip too.
My arm already hurts.
My
Oh
My
yeah.
arm already hurts.
Come over here.
Come on, throw it like Kobe.
He's got athletics elbow.
Throw Kobe. Wait, Kobe. I'm just kidding.
Hey, you beat the other one. You beat the other one. Good job.
Mine almost went over the fence.